Hi, my name is Saif, and this is CMAP number 5. This one is for the algorithm and algorithm of a stack. Now we've got the problem definition. We need to implement a stack and perform basic stack operations. The key concepts are the recursive case, which is operations performed on the stack iteratively or recursively, and a base case, which is the condition or stack operations terminate. And we've also got a linear data structure. No, that's not. Yeah, my bad. We've got the peak, the pop, the push. The push adds an element. The pop deletes an element. And the peak returns the top element. Now we've got steps to solve. We implement a recursive stack operations if needed, and we create functions, define a stack is empty. That's a function, by the way, and we call the stack functions and test the implementation. The code snippets, we've got the functions right here, and this is the class, the code for the class, and this is the code for the main function. Now we've already said that a stack is a linear data structure following the last in first out principle. Finally, the implementation details. We've got the recursive approach. If the stack is empty, return. Otherwise, we perform an operation and call function recursively. For the data members, we've got a stack array or a linked list. You can implement the stack using an array or a linked list. And the top pointer indicating the top of the stack. We've also got function parameters. You've got parameters for the push function. The pop one doesn't need a parameter, and the peak one does not need a parameter, but the push one needs. And finally, we've got the explanation of the program. The class definition, it uses an integer array to implement the stack, includes a top variable to track the stack's top element. The push section checks if a stack is full before adding and increments the top and inserts. The pop section checks if the stack is empty and then decrements the top. The peak section just returns the top, as I mentioned earlier. And finally, the main function creates a stack instance and pushes and pops while displaying state. Thank you. That was my presentation for stack number for CMAP number 5 stacks.